Hello, PT Narration here, and welcome to a cotton candy autopsy 30-second subjects. Today, 30-second meals with Chef Joey Ray Punchinello and his delightfully delicious cookie quesadillas.
Very well. Place a flour tortilla in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add a splash of EVOO. Smear it with hot sauce and cover it with the shredded cheese of your choice. Add chopped onion, garlic, peppers, black olive, and diced dolphin meat. Though panda will do nicely. In about 2 minutes each side, or until the cheese is nice and bubbly-wobbly. Yummo. Plate and garnish with chopped cilantro and sour cream. Then dial 911 and tell them you found love.
I'm okay!
Groovy.
For contact information, log on to beautifulstoriesforuglychildren.com.
It's okay.